Meet PENGU, the latest meme coin making waves on Solana. It's cute, it's fast, and the community is going wild. If you're ready to dive into the next viral token, here's how to buy PENGU step by step on the Solana blockchain using Jupiter, the most popular DEX aggregator on Solana. It's fast, easy, and beginner friendly. Let's get started. Head over to Paytree and log into your account. Select USDC on Solana and choose the amount you want to buy. For this example, let's say you want to grab $100 worth. Enter your Solana wallet address. You can use wallets like Phantom or Brave. Just copy and paste your address carefully. Time to complete the payment. Paytree will guide you through using Interac e-transfer. It's a quick and easy process. Click on Pay with Interac, then select your banking institution from the list. Log in and accept the transfer. Once the transaction is complete, the funds should appear in your Solana wallet. Please note that this process can take up to 60 minutes. First, head over to Jupiter Aggregator. Now select USDC as the token you want to swap from and PENGU as the token you want to receive. Enter the amount of USDC you want to swap for PENGU, review the rate, and hit Swap. Click Swap and confirm the transaction in your wallet. Give it a few seconds. Once the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, you'll see your PENGU tokens right there in your wallet. That's it. If this video helped you out, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe for more easy crypto guides, and drop a comment if you've got questions or want to see more tutorials like this.